Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to make Windows 11 faster and improve performance. How to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to faster your Windows. The first of all, go to your settings of your Windows and type a advanced system settings. Go to your view advanced system settings. In the advanced section, go to your settings, select a custom, uncheck all, expect the show thumbnail instead of icons and smooth edges of screen font. So uncheck it. After that, click on apply button, click on OK button. The next is set in the search box and type a added power plan. Go to your added power plan, click on power options, click on show additional plan, click on change plan settings, click on a change advanced power settings, scroll down and select a process power management. Click on it and set a maximum process is 100% and minimum process, make sure that both are selected 100%. Click on apply and OK button and close it. The next is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on app section, go to your startup and turn off all it. After that, right click, go to your task manager and go to your startup and select now you can see data is all disabled. If any is unable, then select it and disable it. The next is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your system settings, go to your storage, turn off storage senses. The next is go back. The next is that go to your storage, click on a temporary files and remove all temporary files. After remove all, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process, and after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your Windows is start up well and performance is bad. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.